Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. I wanted to talk a little bit today about our role as advisors to our clients. So I had a financial advisor that wanted to refer a client to me. So we got on the phone, we had a Zoom meeting with this potential client, and the very first thing he asked me was, should I be paying my children to work? And I said, well, yeah, of course, you should pay your children. And he said, why do you ask? And he says, well, I brought that to my accountant and he acted like it was this really bad thing. Like we shouldn't be doing that, that you shouldn't be hiring your children. And I can understand where the accountant's coming from. Like we have clients that sometimes will take things too far, especially when it comes to paying children. They might want to pay them $100 an hour for shredding paper or doing something like that. But when the question comes up, should we be paying children for doing work? I say, of course, why not? Why wouldn't you employ your child, teach them how to work, and pay them a reasonable salary, a reasonable wage for doing that? I'd like to introduce you to my three kids. They're here in their pictures. That's Colby, my oldest son, Camden, my middle son, and Kylie, my daughter. Those pictures are probably small. You can't probably see them really well, but that's who they are. So Colby is 16 years old. Colby studies marketing. Colby studies internet advertising and all sorts of stuff like that. So I hire him to help me with marketing, with videos, with advertising. He's my consultant. We go through that stuff. He helps me when I got videos to record. He comes and helps me record the videos. And he is an invaluable resource to me because he studies that. He understands it. He knows it really well. And so I pay him a reasonable salary to come and help me with those things. Kylie, she'll come up and shred paper and help me with little administrative tasks and stuff. Do I pay Kylie as much as I pay Colby? No, because they're doing two different jobs, and so they need to be paid reasonable. Kylie would be more like minimum wage. Colby would be something more than minimum wage because that's what a market rate would be for him. Now, to be honest, I have this other son, Camden, great kid, very, very smart. Just turned 14. I'm still trying to find something for him to do. Colby's getting older. Maybe as Colby moves on, we might move Camden into that role or get Camden going on something else. So to date, I haven't paid Camden anything because I haven't found something for him to do that I could reasonably pay him to do. So that's on me. I got to take care of that because I believe that it's important to teach my children the value of work, to pay them appropriately for that, and then when they get that paycheck, to teach them how to budget and how to take care of that money. And I try to do the same for my clients as well. So when a client comes to me and says, hey, should I be paying my kids? The answer is, of course you should, and this is the way you do it. I understand that professionals out there get leery of it because people take it to an extreme, but it's our responsibility as professionals to research and understand how these laws work, and then to explain those to our clients in a way that helps them to understand how they work and not try to scare them away from it or anything else, but to teach them the right way to do it and to lead and guide them through that so that they can get good tax benefits as well as run their business and their family and everything else the right way. So anyway, sorry for a little bit of rant on that. Obviously have a passionate feeling about that as advisors, we need to be advising our clients the right way, which means we need to understand the law, teach our clients, and help them with that. So anyway, hope you're having a good day and look forward to talking to you again soon.